Good morning, everyone. May Gonzo bless you this morning. So yesterday was very long and difficult, especially with my diabetes foot. But we got it done. Nothing real new. Maybe a couple of items. There's some swag that they came in with, some lanyards. No, of course, no stickers, but lanyards, T-shirts, stainless tumblers. I recommend you guys butter up Larry Van Sickle there at Recoil. And she's like, bro, I love Recoil. Is there any way I can show the world that I love Recoil? And then there you go. He gets to be a hero. So just remember that about men. Men love helping people, helping other humans. Like, because if you think about it, what's the best fantasy is when, a super hot, horny woman is like, if only there was a small penis available nearby. And you're like, I have a small penis. And then you get to save the day. So, what was it? The only notable thing is probably the MX65s came in, and I have several pre-orders for that, so I will be picking up at least a case today. Mostly I'll be packing orders with Ash and David, and then I should scoot a route on over there at about 2 o'clock to catch the UPS guy, and then I can pick up more stuff and then help them if they need more help. So most of the labor though is for unloading a container is not the container. It's the organizing, counting, and then repalletizing. Whatever China sent you, so that you can put it in, and then also finding space in the warehouse because you got to move stuff around and all that kind of stuff. And I get to help those guys, and it's kind of nice. Oh, speaking of which, I got to send my invoice to corporate. But I wanted to let you guys know that I really, really, really want to encourage all of you to express yourself in a. It's great that if you can express yourself even in a shitty way, because it's better than holding up all that dirty devil semen inside your body. And that's why I encourage handies not hate. The power of pieces in your fist. To get all that stuff out. So some people don't do this, and then it ends up rotting their brains, and then they say and do stupid things online. So yesterday, there's I won't even mention their name. I want to do my best to honor the stupid. Some people are just stupid. A lot of people are ugly, but that's not something you want to, tease somebody about, because believe me, I have my ugly moments as well. But the stupid moments that are a good teaching moment. But yesterday I complimented in a very fun and spirited way one of my friend's wives. He was just, bragging, which is good. He's got a hot wife, and so I did a little silly thing about Led Zeppelin, and somebody attacked me on the internets and was like, why don't you be doing some sort of police standoff and chomo stuff? And I was like, what the fuck? Like, that was disrespectful. So not only to me, but to the girl that he posted a picture of, my friend posted a picture of his wife, but also my friend, and also to like Valentine's Day, and also to like Ash Wednesday, because there was this total retard sitting next to us at the Olive Garden that had a big charcoal mark on his forehead, and it was like, God, there's still retarded people. But there's also still racist people. Again, you want to think about that as a religion, that just some people believe in stupid things, and it's important to allow them to sort of figure out themselves that, there is only one true God, and that is our Lord Gonzo. And he wishes that you enjoy the bass and the marijuanas and abortions. What other satanic things are there?
Oh, I don't
I
know.
don't. Side note: there was this goofball in I think it was Tempe. It was either Tempe or Scottsdale, one of those uppity fucking cities around here. I'll post a link to the video. We have the Church of Satan here, and it is quite popular. And one of the ministers was addressing the town council, city council, on some of the fucked up things that they were doing. And the city council guy, basically attacked him verbally, and really like gave it to him. It was like, who the fuck do you think you are? Like, there's freedom of religion in this country. And again, if you want to believe in something stupid, believe in something stupid. The dumb God that you believe in is not right, unless it's Gonzo. Then that's the only true God. But if you want to believe in some other Gonzo besides, or Freudian slip, if you want to believe in some other God besides Gonzo, just know that you're dumb and you don't know what the fuck is going on, and you're an idiot. But I thought it was really interesting to see a grown man who is probably a lawyer argue about religion in a town council and be the city council, the elected city council member. But anyways, I want to let you know that because I praise and worship the only true God, which is Gonzo, he has given me the powers of sight and of a very fruitful network of spies that tell me whenever somebody is talking the trash on the interwebs about me or our Lord Gonzo. And Gonzo could use his magic powers, but he's like, no. I depend on you. I need you guys. I want you guys to really work and really worship me and really make it count. So, but one of the good people let me know that somebody else had a problem with one of the 8K amplifiers, and this human, this frail, weak, cowardly human, did not even bother contacting me. He just blasted me on the interwebs, and we all cried, and we were sad, and we also found out that he's like Patrick Satanic, and he's in drugs, and he's perverted, which is all true. And I just I felt bad for him. I really did. I really felt bad for him. And I just want to let you guys know that, again, I want to express to you that it's important that you articulate yourself. And for the dumb, that's not what you mean. That's not what you think it means. Articulate means to really kind of express yourself in a way that is very exacting, or as exacting as possible. I'm sure you can Google the definition on that one, but it helps you be more specific so that you can figure out what's going on inside your head and what you're feeling and all that kind of stuff. But that's what I recommend. But I want to let you guys know I love you and I appreciate you, and even if you try to warranty one of the Gonzo amplifiers out with Slaps Audio or Black Brick, they will not honor it, even though it's from the same factory and from the same vendor, and it's the same amplifier. So just wanted to let you know. The way that you would have to do that is probably order from them either off of Amazon or directly from the website, and then you'd have to do a board swap, and also avoid any sort of what is it called, like warranty detection device, like a little sticker on the bottom of the panel that gives you access to the PCB, and then you'd have to swap it like that. So, and then you send it back, and then you pretend and lie to Slaps or Black Brick that that you're innocent. So, but I've discovered on the Instagrams, or no, on the TikToks. I've discovered on the TikToks a Rick and Morty life hacks channel, which is absolutely thrilling and delectable, which I'll leave a link to in the description. But and then I've been looking at the videos I've been posting lately, and I'm like, there's not a lot of audio stuff, but I haven't had time to sit down and do a video. Typically when I'm working at the garage or the warehouse, or whatever you want to call it, it's typically when Dave is working there and he's running the grinder, and then Ash is, jizzing up the subwoofers, or, there's a lot of stuff going on. So sometimes it's difficult to find some quiet time that I can masturbate and then still have the energy to then do a nice video for you guys. So, but again, you're in my thoughts, you're in my prayers to our Lord Gonzo, and I will be working today to help you achieve your sonic goals of worship to bass and to our Lord Gonzo. So, all praise Lord Gonzo. Thank you very much. Do not vote. What else? Try cocaine at least once. Stay away from fentanyl or heroin. Although recreational opiates are kind of fun. Try not to drink alcohol or too much alcohol with them. Also, if you have pictures of alcohol in your Facebook profile, maybe you want to taper off on that. So that was one of the guys that called me a chomo, and then I responded with, well, you're the one with two beautiful daughters. And then I was reading this article. I remember this article that I was reading. It's probably a TikTok video. That was saying that if you have even one daughter, you're 100% more likely to molest your daughter than someone that doesn't have any daughters, like myself. So, and this guy had two, and I pointed that out. And then there's a picture of him where he just orgasmed into his infant daughter and then fell asleep. And I was like, man, that's really lazy. You should really clean up, and just sometimes you can get an infection if that happens. So, but again, I don't want to say that on the internet, and then you're like, well, Patrick, that might you shouldn't be talking like that, because that is careless and it disregards common sanctity of whatever it is. Well, also calling me a chomo in public on my friend's page is not a wise choice either. But again, I don't want to abuse this platform. I don't want to abuse anybody. I love everybody. I just know that it's good to mind my own business. So if you guys are molesting your daughters, I don't know, join up with some cops that also molest their own daughters, and then you guys can swap out. There's a joke that I've been working on where I go camping with some cops, and then we're all sitting around the fire drinking some beer, and one of the cops says, so man, your daughter's pretty, I don't have a daughter, but he's like, so your daughter's pretty cute, man, you hang out with blah, 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 blah. And basically he offers to have sex with my kids while I have sex with his kids, and then what's funny is the cop then gets mad that I'm judging him. He's like, hey man, I brought you on this camping trip because I thought you were cool. And I was like, nope, I am not cool. That is not cool. I am leaving. Babe, we gotta go. Oh wait, no, it's just all dudes camping out in the desert alone. So I guess it was gonna lead to eating of children and gay sex. But anyways, again, I'm working on the joke. We'll talk more. We're here at Chase's Diner. We love the Chase family. They are so wonderful. And Jamie's not here. Probably Jen's here. But it's a Thursday. You still got time to prepare for the weekend and do cool stuff. I love you. I will talk to you later. Bye.